Tired of getting headaches and migraines? Drugs such as triptans, ibuprofen, and painkillers can have serious side effects and often lead to long-term health issues. Leaky ice bags and wet rags can be messy or only provide relief for a few minutes. Sounds like a headache. Introducing the Aculief Headache Relief Hat, the most advanced cold therapy headache solution that provides relief within minutes. Aculief Headache Relief Hat is the #1 all-natural cold therapy hat. The medical-grade formula stays cool 5 times longer than traditional methods to provide long-lasting relief that soothes away even the toughest headaches. Aculief is easy to use in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Remove it from the fridge. Step 2. Take it out and put it on. Step 3. Feel your headache melt away. Migraines and headaches occur when blood vessels and tissue become swollen and inflamed, contributing to headache pain. Aculief's cold therapy method has been scientifically proven to help reduce swelling and inflammation in minutes, while applying a 360-degree cold compression to your head's relief points, which works on all types of headaches: migraines, cluster, sinus, stress tension, and neck pain. The buttery soft, stretchy, and breathable fabric provides a comfortable and secure fit on nearly anyone. Aculief is all natural and safe for the whole family to use. The built-in visor can also block out sunlight, which can worsen headaches. Over 95% of customers who try Aculief give it a positive rating.
It stays cool. It's wonderful. It's the best thing I've tried.
And no matter what type of headache you have, you will get that relief.
Try it for 30 days risk-free with our money-back guarantee. Get the natural headache relief you've always wanted with Aculief's Cold Therapy Headache Relief Hat.
These are how many pills I used to take per week for my headaches. Now I take 0. Do you want to know my secret? I suffered from headaches really as long as I can remember. As a child, even I would get bad tension headaches, and in college I was diagnosed with migraines, and I would have a headache that would literally last like 3 days. I never really experienced relief from my headaches, and it got really bad when I was pregnant and I didn't really want to take anything. This is Aculief. So I put it in the freezer. You can also put it in the fridge, but I like the freezer because it gets it super cold. This actually goes over your head. This is where the nose goes. And these are brilliantly lined up with your pressure points. It's acupressure, so it goes all around your head. If you have headaches, you know that there are certain points you can press that they'll tell you about, and this actually hits them all around the head. So it's wonderful, and you can wear it over the eyes even. It just makes me feel really relaxed and great. But it's also just really comfortable and so convenient that if you need to wear it to do stuff, it's totally fine. You can really do anything. You can exercise in this. These gel packs, they stay cold so much longer than anything I've tried. And there's no mess. When you use ice, it melts pretty quickly. I would use a washcloth over my head, like a cool one. I'd put the washcloth in the fridge and use it and get it really cold, but it wouldn't stay cold, and it also would drip. I mean, literally, it would heat up in a matter of minutes, but this stays cold for a really long time. This just makes it so easy. If you have headaches of any kind, tension headaches, migraines, you've got to try this. It's going to help you so much.